GE washer door won't lock. GFWH2400L0WW. I have to hold the door shut to get it to lock. There does not appear to be any blockage around the door gasket or the lock strike.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be the one assisting you today. I am sorry to hear you are having trouble with your GE washer. The door lock assembly might be defective. Inspect the door lock for damage. If the door lock is damaged, replace it. I can shoot you a link to the part you will need to replace it as well if that is what seems to be the problem.
It does recognize that the door is closed, but only when it is held closed. Also, it seems like the door is sagging a little. Is there a way to fix that? I think that may be the issue.
So what you are describing could be a couple of things. On rare occasions the door hinge on a front-load washer can become bent or misaligned to the point that the door strike on the door will not line up with the door latch in order for the door latch to lock the door. If this is the case, try to tighten up the screws on the door hinge. In extreme cases the hinges will have to be replaced. If the door isn't misaligned, the problem is either going to be the door latch or the main control. Generally speaking, if you hear the clicking noise like the door is trying to lock but it does not lock, then the problem is the door latch, and if you do not hear the noise, the main board is bad. GE front-load washers have error codes, and if you have a door latch problem it may have flagged one or more error codes. Follow these directions to enter the service mode and view the error codes. Follow these steps to enter the service mode on a GE front-load washer. 1. Close the door. 2. Clear current cycles by pressing the power button. Make sure the screen is blank before attempting to enter the service mode. 3. Disconnect power to washer for at least 30 seconds. 4. Reconnect the power, and within 30 seconds of reconnecting power complete the next step. 5. Press signal delay start signal, delay start. If you successfully enter the washer into the service mode, TO1 will be displayed and the door will lock. If it turns out to be the door strike or the door latch, I have those parts available for order. http://www.repairclinic.com/part details/GE washing machine door strike WH01/10356/1475666 model number equals GFWH2400L0WW and from repair help equals true and SS equals A11B3D851395 http://www.repairclinic.com/part details/GE washing machine door lock WH10/10006/1168668 model number equals GFWH2400L0WW and from repair help equals true and SS equals A11B3D851395. There is also the possibility of the main control board may be defective. However, this is rarely the case. Before replacing the main control board, first check all of the components of the lock mechanism. If none of these parts are defective, consider replacing the main control board. http://www.repairclinic.com/part details/GE washing machine main control board WH12/10483/1811505 model number equals GFWH2400L0WW and from repair help equals true and SS equals A11B3D851395. If you have found any of this information helpful, please do rate with 5 stars at the top so I can be credited for my time and efforts. If you have any follow-up questions, I can be reached here on this thread at any time with follow-up questions.
I followed your directions for entering service mode to a T. And after I press signal then delay start then signal then delay start, nothing happens. Everything stays blank. After a quick Google search for my model, that is not even my code to enter service. Error codes are E08, E11, E13. 08 is pump related, E11 and 13 are lock related. Here is my actual service guide http://www.applianceblog.com/mainforum/attachment.php. S equals 21 Bach 8753 B1 to 8765 FD66716 B2 F93 and attachment it equals 19581 and A equals 141495069.
Are you saying that you were able to figure out the problem yourself? If so, I can have this question closed for you. I apologize, the diagnostic service codes were not the correct ones for your model. I must have shot you the wrong ones, but the parts I sent are the right ones.
No, I gave you the code so you could tell me what may have to be done to fix the root issues. Since I went into the service menu, the door seems to be locking more often, but not every time. Why would that be?
Okay, I will look each of these codes up through my service manual and will be back as soon as I have all the information. Give me just a few minutes. Okay, so after talking with a couple other appliance people, they seem to think the exact same thing as well. Everything is pointing to this being the door lock which I had originally sent you. You will need to order this part or pick up somewhere closer to you if you like, but replacing this should solve the problem. http://www.repairclinic.com/part-details/GE washing machine door lock WH10x10006/11686668 model number equals GFWH2400L0WW and from repair help equals true and SS equals A11B3D851395. If you are satisfied with this information, please do rate with the 5 stars, and if you have any follow-up questions, I can still be reached here on this thread even after rating.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.